Hi, my name is Tomasz. I'm a neurobiologist and I work as antidepressants withdrawal expert. Recently, I wrote a book dedicated to people who are going through one of the most overlooked and misunderstood experiences: protracted withdrawal syndrome caused by psychiatric medications. If you're planning to come off your meds, currently tapering, or you've already stopped and struggling, protracted withdrawal is for you. This guide was created for people like you and your loved ones who want to understand what you're going through. In the book, I explain what protracted withdrawal is, how it differs from acute withdrawal, and how psychiatric drugs affect the nervous system. I also describe the process of coming off those medications and how to do it safely using the method known as hyperbolic tapering. You'll learn how to support your body in recovery through nutrition, lifestyle, understanding the role of mitochondria, the gut-brain axis, and the microbiome. You'll also see the importance of emotional and social support and how to tell the difference between withdrawal symptoms and relapse. This is not a medical book, it's a compass. You'll find practical tools, crisis coping techniques, a symptom journal, and stories of people who recovered from psych meds injury. I wrote this book because I've been on that path myself, and I know it's possible to get through it.